Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Michael's and I was on the hunt for the Blossom Cakes um, yarn, and I actually had a different colorway in mind, but they didn't have it in stock. But this one, you guys, is so pretty. The colors look amazing in natural light, and I just love working with it so far. They do have a bunch of colors, so I will put here how many they have, but they were out of stock of some of them. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my first impressions, and here is the granny stitch, you guys, because everyone and their mother is doing that Taylor Swift dress, but I wanted to make something with the granny stitch, but not into a dress, because you guys know I don't have the patience for something so um a project that big. But I do have something in mind, but I won't show you guys here yet because um I just don't know if it's gonna work out. But if it does, I will put the tutorial up. But this is how it looks, you guys. The color is so pretty. um the colors work up so nice, and I just love how you can't tell where a color starts and the other one ends. So you do get, it is 61 cotton, 39 acrylic. You get 8 ounces, 481 yards. And this yarn is a little bit pricier, you guys. It is $12.99 a skein. But I got a coupon off for 20% off, and it does call for a 5 millimeter crochet hook, but I use a 6.5 because I wanted my stitches a little bit more open and flowier, if that even's a word. You guys know what I mean. um but yeah, I love it so far, you guys. It is so soft. I would say the only bad thing about it for me, but it's not bad for me, but maybe for some people it would be, is that it is a little bit more expensive, and it is a little bit on the fussier side. So here I'm just going to show you a little bit of how it works up, and really it's wonderful to work with. It is super soft, and I had no problems at all. It wouldn't split or anything. So um, yeah, that was a good thing for me. So yeah, here's me just doing the granny stitch, which, by the way, you guys, I have a tutorial in this stitch, and I just realized the other day that I did it wrong on the video. I did 2 stitches instead of 3, which, if you guys want me to make a new tutorial, let me know in the comments. So like I was telling you guys, this is like a little bit on the fussier side. It does have fuzzies, but you can only tell if you really look close to it or if you're working with it. I had a black jeans, and I did get a lot of fuzzies on my jeans, so that might be something you're not into. But other than that, you guys, the colors work up so nice. Like I said before, the transitions are so pretty, and there's not like a harsh line, because sometimes with colorways like this, you can tell where one starts and the other one ends. But this one is pretty seamless, which I love, because if you're doing that Taylor Swift dress and you hate color changing like I do, and that's the reason why I love this type of yarn, you guys will like this. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my first impression. Overall, I really recommend it, and if you can get your hands on this and try it, that would be really great. So let me know in the comments if you tried it before or if you plan on trying it. Bye.